In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription. If you're looking to end your service with Hostinger and need a little guidance to get through the process smoothly, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and make this as simple as possible. First, we need to get started by heading over to the Hostinger website. You'll want to open up your web browser and type in www.hostinger.com. This is where we'll begin the process. Once there, navigate to the login button, which is usually found in the upper right hand corner of the home page. Click on login. Now that you've logged into your account, you'll want to get to the Hostinger dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your account and where you'll be able to access all necessary features. Look for the section called Home. It's easy to find and where you should direct your attention towards managing your subscriptions. Next, from the main dashboard, you're going to shift your focus to the billing section. It's crucial to head there because this is where all of your payment information is housed, alongside the details of your current subscriptions. So go ahead and click on the billing tab. Once you're inside the billing section, the next step is to find the subscriptions option. Selecting subscriptions will bring up all the services that you're currently subscribed to under your Hostinger account. This list will include your active subscriptions, whether to hosting services, domain renewals, or additional features you might have signed up for. Look through your list of subscriptions for the one you'd like to cancel. This is an important decision, so be sure you're choosing the right subscription. Upon selecting the subscription you wish to cancel, there'll typically be a clear option or button that says something along the lines of cancel subscription. Click this and Hostinger might request confirmation to ensure you're definitely looking to cancel, as this is a big step. And there you have it, it's really that simple. By following these directions you can successfully cancel your Hostinger subscription, freeing you from any further charges. Remember to consider any ongoing services or projects you might have tied to this subscription before proceeding, as cancelling will terminate access to these resources. If you encounter any issues, or if this process differs slightly based on updates or changes Hostinger might have made, reach out to their customer support for direct assistance. They're usually very responsive and can guide you through any updated processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you achieve your goal without any hassle.